Get a feel for the 2017 Honda Ridgeline. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's the extraordinary Honda Ridgeline, the pickup that blends innovative cabin and bed design with rugged all-wheel drive capability and an upscale feel. With ingenious solutions to accommodate your needs, this pickup is ready to take you on adventures in comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the freedom of the unconventional and the delight of the extraordinary. Come in today and test drive this Honda Ridgeline.